Prove that 0 is less than or equal to yz plus zx plus xy minus 2xyz is less than or equal to 7/27, where x, y, z are non-negative real numbers. X plus y plus z equals 1. Since x, y, z are symmetrical without loss of generality, assume x is greater than or equal to y is greater than or equal to z is greater than or equal to 0. We have 1 equals x plus y plus z is greater than or equal to 3z. So z is less than or equal to 1/3. 2xyz is less than or equal to 2/3 xy. Yz plus zx plus xy minus 2xyz is greater than or equal to yz plus zx plus xy minus 2/3 xy, which is equal to yz plus zx plus 1/3 xy is greater than or equal to 0, as x, y, z are greater than or equal to 0. Thus, 0 is less than or equal to yz plus zx plus xy minus 2xyz. From equation 1 and inequality 2, we know that x plus y is greater than or equal to 2/3. Let x plus y equal 2/3 plus delta. Then z equals 1/3 minus delta. 0 is less than or equal to delta is less than or equal to 1/3. AMGM, the arithmetic mean, is greater than or equal to the geometric mean. xy is less than or equal to x plus y over 2 all squared, which is equal to 1/3 plus delta over 2 all squared. Yz plus zx can be written as z times x plus y, xy minus 2xyz can be written as xy times 1 minus 2z, as xy is less than or equal to 1/3 plus delta over 2 all squared. So we can now write less than or equal to z times x plus y plus 1/3 plus delta over 2 all squared times 1 minus 2z. Now we substitute z and substitute x plus y, and substitute z again. Now we simplify this algebraic expression on the right-hand side of the inequality. We can now write equals 7/27 minus delta squared over 4 plus delta cubed over 2 minus delta squared over 4 plus delta cubed over 2 can be written as minus delta squared over 2 times a half minus delta, as delta is less than or equal to a third, so a half minus delta must be greater than 0. Delta squared must be greater than or equal to 0. So this algebraic expression must be less than or equal to 7/27. Thus, yz plus zx plus xy minus 2xyz is less than or equal to 7/27. The proof is now complete. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.